with a head cam on, talking to myself because it turns out I didn't press the record button. That's pretty gutting. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to get on with wrapping the BM. Not wrapping at all, so if we can show you, maybe do some of your own DIY stuff, pick up some tips. If anyone's got any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll respond to them. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Let's get you on time lapse and chest. Morning guys, we're back. It's the next day, so let's show where we're up to. Got the whole passenger side wrapped, bar the side skirt. Mirrors, we've got the carbon fibre covers, don't know if I mentioned that in the last video. So today, we've got a long day on. Today we're going to get the whole car finished, handles, roof, rear, bumpers, the rear bumper's actually damaged. What's down here? I'm going to just fix this for now. It's not going to look perfect once it's done, but I've got another bumper ordered, so I'll just rewrap that bumper once it arrives. So yeah, I'm going to get you on the time lapse. I'm just going to get straight to it today. So it should be fully done today, the car, hopefully. So there we go, the boot lid done. If I show you how we've done this, this is, see the underneath strip, we didn't actually wrap that piece, you can't even see it, but it's so close to colour anyway. Yeah, looks well. It's really coming together now. Ready to start this side now, really. Get this quarter done, that door, wing, roof, skirts, bumpers. Pretty much us, isn't it? So, right away. Maybe get you back on the time lapse again shortly. Might even try and turn the car around, it's much better angle from this side, more room. Try and turn the car around. Okay guys, turn the car around, got a side view. It's going to work a lot better for filming this way. So we've cut the vinyl again, like we did on the other side. You can cut the shape, leave the door out. That's just rolled round, so that's the size we need. So I'm going to stick it on a little stand we've had to make. It's not the best, but it'll work. The angle should be okay. And back to a time lapse. As I said, this car's got really bad paint. I've actually had to, I don't know if you had to say, I've actually had to flat this side of the door down here because the door chipped. But if you actually look in, can you see all this? This is where the cars have paintwork and they're lazy. People that have done it didn't even bother to take the door handle out, which I've just recorded me taking it out. It's one screw and it slides apart. You know, it's the most basic of things to take out. So I've got to now use 600 wet and dry, and we'll just take these edges off. If you look how sharp they are, they'll actually rip the vinyl and we're applying over it. So we just need to soften them down. We'll try and feather this out a little bit and this one out a little bit. If we can do that, like I said, it's not going to be perfect. This car already knew that. There's like scratches in the door. It's going to look good, but you know, it's only going to look as good as the car could look with paint just straight. Right guys, so time to do the roof. So the roof's going gloss black. Again, we've got a small chip in the paint. Probably are going to see that once it's on. But I've got you on the head cam this time, so hopefully this works out good. So it's going gloss black. Pretty straightforward roof. I'll get you on the head cam, so hopefully you can pretty much catch what we're doing. Okay, let's do it. With a head cam on, talking to myself because it turns out I didn't press the record button. That's pretty gutting. But anyway, that's the roof wrapped. So car's coming together now. Close that door over now. So it's kind of getting a look at how the car's going to look. It's grey, still looks very blue in the video. If it comes up better outside, because to me it's Nardo grey. Black roof. Got a gloss black window spoiler to go on here. We've got boot spoiler to go back on in black. So we've got side skirts, bumpers left to do. And we haven't got enough material left. So handles next. The handles done. So what we're basically going to have left to do on the car by the looks of it. We've only got this much vinyl. I'm going to roll it out and just check how much is there, but it's not enough to the bumpers, I'm sure it's not. But we'll see. Okay, right, I'll get back soon.